everyone. So today I'm going to teach you how to make your own petal dust. I know these are very expensive things, so I picked up this trick over on YouTube and I've changed it a little bit so that it will fit my needs. Let me just there. Okay, so here I have cornstarch. Very simple. And I'm going to use McCormick Yellow. This is a liquid food color. Now you can use any other food color. Let's say you want to use some sugar flare, or you want to use Wilton, or you want to use Chef Master. Or you want to use Cross. It's all fine, doesn't matter. However, the main difference is if you use this food color, you don't need to add anything because it's liquid, so you just add it into your cornstarch. But if you're going to use Cross, or if you're going to use gel food color, then you're going to have to dilute it very strongly with clear alcohol like Everclear or vodka or Ginebra San Miguel. There. So since I'm going to use this food color, I am just going to directly add that into my cornstarch. There. Now when you make this, you need to make sure that the color is very, very strong. Because once it dries, it's going to be lighter. Now you just need to let this sit at room temperature until it dries out. How long? It depends on how hot where you are. Maybe about 24 hours. You can take it outside, just make sure it's covered with cloth so the liquid evaporates but the bacteria stays out. There. Or, okay, let me show you something. This here is dried, that mixture which has dried out. So I'm going to use my ball tool to grind it into a fine powder. See, it's very dark, right? But you will see when I grind it, there, it turned into a light shade of pink. See? Not really light, but still, it's not the color that you want. If you want a very dark shade to use for your flowers, then you're gonna need something darker. That might not show if I put it on my hand. Here. So if this is your fondant, or this is your gum paste, or your flexi clay, there. It's not too dark, right? So you have to make sure you put in a lot of food color and you make your own petal dust.